Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Abiong from BSN1C and these are my fellow members.
Hello everyone, I am Monica Chloe Amate.
I am April Benedica.
My name is Delia Elaine Anyana Balaz.
This is Reva Alexa Ebuka. My name is Charlotte May Navalio Sofia.
Hi, I'm Joma Arvizo.
My name is John Paul Albasi.
Hello everyone, I am Diane Alborias.
Before we start the caricature discussions, let me give you a quick background or a short recap about what caricatures are. A caricature is a funny or exaggerated drawing of a person, animal, or object. It makes certain features like a big nose or a wide smile look even bigger or funnier. Caricatures are often used in cartoons, magazines, and events to make people laugh or to share a message. Artists creates them by focusing on the most unique parts of a person's face or body and making them stand out. Some caricatures are friendly and fun, while others can be used to make a point about a famous person or a situation.
This section focuses on Vice President Sara Duterte, shown seemingly trapped inside or emerging from a large money bag labeled Public Funds. The bag is positioned near a sign that reads Impeachment, directly linking the accusations of financial mismanagement to the impeachment proceedings. The depiction of Duterte within the money bag suggests she is implicated in the misuse of public funds, a key element in the impeachment case.
This scene shows a simplified representation of the House of Representatives building. Three figures, labeled legislators, are depicted with their hands raised, indicating a vote. A banner below them reads 215 votes majority decision, signifying that a majority of the House voted in favor of impeachment. The simplified style emphasizes the collective action of the House in reaching the decision.
The caricature depicts impeachment as a direct consequence of the alleged misuse of public funds, visually linking the accusations to the impeachment process. Vice President Sara atop the public funds bag directly implies her responsibility for the events leading to impeachment.
The drawing serves as a visual commentary on the impeachment attempt, summarizing the accusations and the legislative outcome in a simplified, easily understood manner. The way the drawing shows the VP Sara Duterte with the public funds bag and the House vote make it clear how one led to the other.
This caricature illustrates a boxing match, a common visual metaphor for political conflict and competition between opposing forces. The visual intensity of the fight underscores the severity of the political divisions depicted.
The Forward Together slogan represents a broken promise of collaboration. The boxing match illustrates how the intended unity has been destroyed, leaving the former allies as better enemies locked in the struggle. The contrast between the slogan and the violent imagery highlights the failure of the political alliance.
The two boxers represents opposing factions or individuals within what was presumably a united political front. Their fight symbolized the breakdown of this unity and result internal conflict. The ferocity of the boxing match underscores the depth of the divisions and the bitterness of ensuing struggle.
The striking contrast between the hopeful message of Forward Together and the violent imagery of the boxing match emphasizes the irony of the situation and the complete failure of the alliance's stated goals. The use of a boxing match as a visual metaphor effectively communicates the intensity and severe nature of the conflict within the political alliance. The dynamic action of the boxing match visually represents the struggle for power and control within the groups.
The overall message conveys the failure of a political alliance or partnership, suggesting internal disagreements and conflicts have undermined the initial collaborative goals. The visual metaphor of a boxing match powerfully communicates the intensity and deep seated nature of the conflict.
To end the discussions, the two drawings clearly show the increasing political conflict between Vice President Sara Duterte and President Bongbong Marcos. They focus on important ideas such as corruption, broken trust, and struggles for power in the Philippine government. In the end, these caricatures tell a story about how politics in the Philippines can change quickly, with allies becoming enemies. They show that political partnership can be weak and easily broken when the leaders focus on their own power instead of working together. The caricatures also reminds us that leadership comes with responsibility, and when trust is lost, it can lead to big conflicts that affect the entire country. Through simple but strong images, these caricatures show that political unity does not always last, and disagreements between leaders can have serious effects on the government and its people.